Nigga Belly, baby.
I'm back at it. You know it's me. It's Young Nigga Belly, man. I'm a fucking beast. Don't say too much. Don't speak to hoes. Niggas see me on the block, they be like, what up, Mo? I get this money and I stack this bread. Got bitches in the hotel giving me head, and I do it like I do it for that gingerbread. I'm running. Niggas see me like Sonic the Hedgehog, I'm coming. I got 2 Glocks in my hand, 2 223s. Fuck around with me, your mind be on fucking freeze. Like you drinking on the motherfucking Slurpee. Got bitches, bad bitches, wanna slurp me, wanna suck my fucking kids. I tell them drink it up, my kids can't fucking swim. I do it like this, I do it like fucking them. I'm like this, I'm like that, I'm all the way infected. You fuck around with me, I smoke you like a cigarette. I had these niggas gone, I miss my nigga Tron, I miss my daddy too. So what the fuck I do? I grab a Glock and hit the block with the rock spool. I pack the shit on my heater. You niggas talking shit, I'm way out of the meter. I'm gone to another planet like E.T. I'm about to phone home so you really can't see me in 3D. You niggas need HD to find me. I'm like, where's Waldo? You looking for me hollow? I got the fucking hollows, no motherfucking halo, just 2 horns, nigga, for Satan, nigga. I run with the charm, nigga, bomb on them like Saddam. You fuck around, I'm like Osama bin Laden. I'm sitting back and I'm plotting on some 9/11 shit. Catch me in the hood, nigga, straight drinking that lean, and I'm rolling with my MOB team and with me. Catch me in the jets, nigga, I'm doing my thing. I've been hustling since a little kid, been out here shedding tears for all my niggas that's no longer here. Rest in peace, C-Bear. I love you, homie.